Dexter Dubs. Mr. Dexter Dubs? How are you? How are you? Take a seat, please. Oh my, Mr. Dubs, that's a big friend you have down there. Anyways, so what can I do for you today?
Breaking news.
Oh God, this sounds serious. Talk to me.
Me hear say she get well.
Where say she get well?
Me no know who she give to.
Oh God. So I'm gonna ask you something. Who I get them information here?
Natalie.
Natalie. This not sound right.
But a good thing my name for. Time I almost believe it.
Good thing you never fool. What you mean by that?
Natalie did in the pre-med.
I mean, well, you're a very nice, really nice young man.
Enough of them just want to climb up on the pinnacle.
Come on, man. I'm sure you enjoy all of the attention.
Phone up on flight mode.
Come on, man. I'm sure you say you enjoy all of the attention. Anyways, I did something earlier, you know. I'm say like you tell a female to do something to her boyfriend. Oh, wait there. Can you tell me what you tell her?
The boy love him belly just poisonous.
No, but so why you need counseling? Next time I start crowing, man.
No give a fuck, nobody don't chat to me.
Oh, watch your mouth, you know. Not because I'm a counselor. Have respect.
Fuck you. Rascal. Bad girl this.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you something. You come to me for help. I mean, I try help. But I said the disrespecting now go work in my office. You get me? If you don't want to be here, sir, you can leave. Do you want to be here? Okay. Disrespect me again, I'm done with you. Outside now. Give me a minute here. Yes, babes. Oh, you mean you eat out the food, Kappa?
The boy love him belly just poisonous.
Shut up! Kappa. But now do this again with you, every minute we are fight.
Stop fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson.
Actually, you know, Kappa, I can't do this no more.
Come get well.
Shut up! Want you?
Please turn off your phone, strip down and get naked. All this dick could be yours. Strip down and get naked.
Kappa, when we reach home, we'll talk here later.
Rascal.
Your body stay good and so. But remember, I'm a counselor. I'm supposed to act professional. Your nice body can't fool me.
It's how me I go just do.
What you gonna do?
I go leave you.
Then go on. Bye.
I go leave you alone.
I want to use come in the window. I'm full of clients. Where? I can't leave. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm there for them work. I'm not there for pet grown man. You know, sister, you're troublesome. You're your woman angry, and you're your friend, them have problem. Matter of fact, when the girl when you're cheap and your woman with.
Nikki,
What's your?
me love my girl, but me a cheat on her.
So she know about Nikki?
Nikki, I'm a little secret, me keep from her.
These are dirty germs. Anyways, what about you and your friend then?
Just the money sweet, them a pretend.
Hello, you have money answer.
Lucky some of them feel lucky we no carry vengeance.
What you talk about? Vengeance good for carry.
It's a dog road.
A real meds man. Okay, Mr. Dubs, I have a client in like 5 minutes, so I'll see you next week Friday, okay? Yes, Capo. Capo, then you not just eat more food. Why you feel like you want to get all of the food? Just come on from the phone. Anyway, anything else you want to say to me before you leave?
I'm not right for you, I think you need to live from the.
Look look here. You wanna have the same dirty germs. I mean, I know I eat on my food enough, but
Just poison it.